In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Adobe Express. A watermark is a simple way to protect your work and keep your brand consistent across designs, photos, or videos. We'll keep this quick and clear, and by the end, you'll have a clean, professional watermark that enhances your content without distracting from it. Start by opening Adobe Express and either creating a new project or opening one you've already started. It helps to have your main design elements in place first, your images, text, or layouts, so you can see exactly how the watermark will sit on the final piece. Think of the watermark as the finishing touch that ties your project together. Next, go to the text option. Here, you have two choices. Add text for a simple typographic watermark, or upload your watermark logo or image if you've got a branded mark ready to go. If you're using a logo, a file with a transparent background, like a PNG, typically looks the cleanest. If you're typing text, keep it short. Just your name or brand is usually perfect. Type your watermark text or select the logo you uploaded. If you're using text, pick a clean, readable font that aligns with your brand style. Avoid overly decorative or heavy fonts, which can feel distracting. You can adjust size, color, and spacing to keep it subtle and polished. If your logo is the choice, make sure it's the right version for watermarking. Simple single-color marks tend to blend best. Now resize and position the watermark. Drag the corners to scale it proportionally so it stays sharp and balanced. A common placement is the bottom right corner, but the bottom left, top corners, or a very faint center placement can also work, depending on your layout. Leave a small margin from the edges so it doesn't look cramped or risk being cut off. Take a moment to preview how it looks across the whole design. Finally, adjust the opacity so it's visible without overpowering your content. Lowering the opacity helps it feel integrated rather than pasted on. If your background is light, a slightly darker watermark works well. If it's dark, go lighter. If the design is busy, consider a touch more opacity and a quieter placement. The goal is clear but discreet. That's all there is to it. Open your project, add text, or upload your logo, place it thoughtfully, and dial in the opacity. With these settings, your watermark will protect your work and strengthen your brand while keeping the focus where it belongs, on your content.